According to Taste Atlas, Inasal na manok is the 35th best traditional food in the world. Inasal na manok is a unique Filipino grilled chicken dish which originated in Bacolod and became the signature dish of the entire Visayas region. It employs various chicken cuts marinated in a mixture of vinegar and numerous spices such as lemongrass, garlic, and ginger. During grilling, the meat is brushed with the annatto-infused oil, which provides the chicken with an appetizing golden color and unique peppery flavor. The dish is served usually alongside annatto-flavored garlic rice and spiced vinegar. In 2022, the city of Bacolod declared the dish an important cultural property. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.